Welcome to hcsinfo solution. Today I'm going to demonstrate Angular 16 installation guide. The agenda is how to install Node, how to install Angular 16, and how to install Visual Studio Code. And after the installation, how to check the node is whether installed or not into my machine. And we need to check the npm version, what version is installed, and later we need to check Angular CLI. If you completed these all things, we can able to create Angular 16 project into our system. So let's will check one by one. The first primary requirement is I will open the command prompt. I will try to check whether node module installed or not using the node hyphen hyphen version. So with this, I came to know the node module is not installed into my system. If node is not there, obviously the npm is also not available. My primary requirement first I need to install the node and I need to check what is the node version and npm version. So I will go to the Google. So I will type as a node JSON. So on the type of the node JSON, I can able to see the node JSON website, the official website. So once I clicked on this node JSON official website, it will redirect to the node JSON server. And for here, I need to download the latest version of the node. So always I recommended to download the LTS. LTS is means the long term support. Instead of downloading the 20.5 the current version, this is still in the development mode as released as a beta version kind of thing. So that's why we need to always recommend it to go for LTS. The LTS is kind of a long term support. So now just I will clicking on the download icon. So my download it gets begins. I'm opening the node and I'm right clicking installing. So nothing to do for this. For installing the Node.js, you have to click on next and click on the accept and click on next. So you no need to do anything of this. Okay, Node is installed into my machine. Yep. Once Node module is installed, I need to check whether Node is installed or not. So node hyphen v, I can able to see the node module is installed. The version is 18.17 version. With the node module, I'm checking the pre-requirement npm is available or not. So now the node module is available and npm is available. I can able to install Angular CLI. For that, I need to go to the Google and type as Angular CLI. Once we type, then we will get an Angular official website. So I need to navigate to the angular.io. So here I have a command npm install hyphen g is a globally the Angular CLI I need to select. So using this command, just I'm copying the command, I'm coming to the command prompt, I'm installing this. So uh, at the rate Angular CLI, it will recommend it will be automatically search what is the latest Angular version is available. It will get downloaded. If you need has a specific version, so I need to type example the 13.1. Then the 13.1 Angular CLI will install to into my machine. So now I'm just selecting Angular CLI. The right now the 16 version is available. It will get installed into my machine. I can able to see now Angular is installed into my machine. Okay, now I installed the Angular CLI. I want to check Angular is installed or not into my machine. For that, I need to I am going to typing ng hyphen hyphen version. So it's saying you need to specify a command before moving on. It's saying as an error, and then I will type hyphen v. Do you know why this error is happened? So now how I can able to check whether Angular installed into my machine or not. Yep, in the latest of update, when we using the ng version or else ng-v, this both command has depreciated. So what is the new command? So instead of using hyphen or else hyphen, we need to use just like a v. So now we can see the Angular CLI version, it's available as a 16.2, and Node version is available, NPM version is available. So we can type ng version just like a version using this command also. I can able to see all the versions is available. So now with this we came to know hyphen v or ng-hyphen version, that command is differentiated. Okay, so the next thing I shown you, we want to install the Visual Studio Code, and for that we need to go to our official website, Visual Studio Code. With this website, I'm trying to downloading the Visual Studio. Once the package is downloaded, you can see already I downloaded this Visual Studio Code. Just I need to open this. I need to set up this into my machine. Just I'm installing the Visual Studio Code into my machine. Yep, cool. Now Visual Studio Code is installed. Yep. So now I will go to the Angular. I created one folder as an Angular. Just I'm opening as a command. I want to open Visual Studio. So for that, before going to this, I will create here one folder, Angular 16. So with Angular 16, I just typed as a command. I can using the command prompt, the code hyphen dot. Using this command, I can open Visual Studio Code as directly. So now it is opened here. Okay. So now I have a shortcut using the control tilde symbol. The terminal will open here. You can see that directly I can see the command prompt here. So I want to create an Angular new project to here, ng new Angular 60. So not working. I want to see ng version not available. Instead of PowerShell, just I'm moving as an okay. In the V I need to type. Yep. So instead of PowerShell, I used as a command prompt ng new Angular 16. Yes. Now we can see with this I can able to create Angular. Is asking to, do you want to Angular routing? Yes, I selected as an yes. And for the CSS, it will asking whether which type of style sheet you are going to use. So usually I recommend to use SCSS. I selected that. Once I selected that, Angular project is created. Now it is installing all the npm package into my machine. Wait for a 2 minutes. Yep. Now the Angular package, everything is installed. That means the node module is installed into my local machine. So now I want to run this Angular project. So for that, I will be going open with a terminal prompt. I'm typing ng serve hyphen o. The o, if you not type o, it will not open. We need to manually open my the port number. Instead of that, I'm just typing hyphen o. So now you can see Angular is getting building, compilation is happening, and once compilation is done, I can able to see the project is hosted. Yep, the cool. So the thing is, now I want to check the which version of Angular is installed into my mission. Just go to the Angular package, angular.json. So here, not AngularJSON, sorry. Go to the package JSON. In the package JSON, you can able to see which version of Angular version is installed. Either we can check common of Angular, Angular's compiler, Angular core. These all Angular routings, everything is installed as a 16 version. Yes, that's it. How to install Angular 16. So now with this, I'm recapping as a with this I'm recapping. So what are the primary pre-requirement? The pre-requirement, we need to install the node and we need to install the npm. Once the node is installed, for checking we need to use the node hyphen v or node hyphen hyphen version to check the node whether installed or not. To check the npm version, we need to use the npm hyphen v and npm hyphen version also we can able to use. Once those are done, I want to install the Angular CLI as a globally. Once Angular CLI is installed, we need to check Angular is installed or not into my machine. Ng hyphen version, this is depreciated now, so we can use ngv or else ng version. With this we will come to know whether Angular is installed or not into my machine. And post that, using the ng new command, we can able to create the project. This is a syntax. You can give your project name, according that the project will install. Once the project is in Angular 16 is installed into your machine, and then for running you have to use the ng server hyphen o. It will be open that directly into a browser as a port number 4200. Thank you for watching the video. If this video is useful for you, and please subscribe our channel and click on the like button.